What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in, and ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm doing a 50,000 subscriber silver giveaway. We are approaching that. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Trust me. Just trust me on that. I'm serious. Now, before we jump into this extremely important video for people that don't like wasting money on precious metals, I got something to show you.
Crypto. Everyone's doing it. You've heard it all before. Whether it's from your cousin who won't shut up about the end of cash, or your best friend from high school who made a killing off Dogecoin. But what about a coin that's doing things a little different? Investing in crypto can be an emotional roller coaster. But what if it wasn't? That's what the geniuses at Apollo FinTech thought. So they said, why don't we just create a coin that's stable and facilitates growth and value? And then they were like, yeah, why don't we just do that? And they did. They created GSX. So what makes GSX so special? Glad you asked. 1.
Your coin is backed by real assets and gold, baby. This, all around me, it's what's backing this.
2. Mining assets plus 50% of what's mined all get stuffed back into a trust.
When you buy GSX, you buy into this trust.
Where your coin value continues to grow.
Trust me. Get it?
No? Okay. 3. So let's get this straight. Your GSX is linked to a trust. That trust is being fed by assets that continue to grow. The value of the trust grows, so does the value of your GSX.
Now, GSX stands for gold secured currency. I used to talk about it a lot about 5 months ago, and that's because it was the pre-sale, the launch sale, where you could find bonuses up to 88%. I saw potential in this company from the start. It's backed by physical gold. They pay yearly dividends, right? So that's why I talked about it. But on the roadmap, it showed after the pre-sale, the launch sale, there was going to be a 4 to 5 month campaign, and that's when it hit the exchanges. It was on Bitmart, it was everywhere. You could see Coinbase lists it right now. They don't sell it on Coinbase yet, but Coinbase isn't going to be promoting, coins that are sketchy or anything. This is a legit coin. It's even on CoinMarketCap, and this is why it's so important that it's on CoinMarketCap, because CoinMarketCap shows everything, including the white paper. Any crypto you're going to invest in, you want to read the white paper. It shows how it works in and out. Every single little thing you need to know is posted on here. They're very transparent. Every single day, Steve McCullough, which is the owner, posts an update. Very transparent. This is another thing that's really important. On CoinGecko, it shows every place that you can buy GSX from. So you can see ToroXCrypto.com, but Bitmart is going to be the main place. See, you're going to want to buy your GSX right here. This is the most important thing about this entire video. In the link, there's going to be a GSX link. This is where you buy your GSX. And I'm glad that they brought back the CDE, because once the coin hit the market, they made this revolutionary site called Stratus. It was an Atrium. It was like a Facebook. You can make an account, talk to people, but it also had a Facebook marketplace where you could buy cars, makeup, jewelry. It was just too revolutionary of its time, and the coin was too small. They just started. Why do something like that? They should have waited a couple of years. It was kind of confusing. It just was too much. So I wish they would have stuck to the CDE, but now they brought the CDE back because I think they realized that that was just too, yes, I get it. They're trying to be this new revolutionary company. It's a genius idea, but they shouldn't have done Stratus yet. So now they did bring back the CDE, and that's why I'm so excited about it. On the roadmap, it shows up to 3 years, everything they're going to do, right? The pre-sale, the launch sale was when I was talking about it. Then it hit the exchange right around the time I stopped talking about it, because the coin was gone. I mean, there was 88% buying bonuses in the launch sale, the pre-sale. And that's when I was telling you guys to buy it because you can get it for extremely cheap. Now it's been 4 to 5 months. So now it's the second phase. This is when they start the gold milling operations. They even made a mobile app called Gold Incorporated where you can actually mine gold. If you get enough points, you can actually redeem it for physical gold. I mean, it is absolutely revolutionary. I see so much potential in this company. This is the meat and potatoes. This is where you're going to buy your GSX. And let me show you something. If you click buy, it's going to show right here, there's an agreement. It shows every single thing, how to buy the coins, where to send the coins to, how to exchange it for USD. A lot of times when people were buying it, you had to go to Apollo Wallet, and that's what made it so confusing for people, because Apollo Wallet is where you store your GSX and then you're going to send it to Bitmart. When it's on Bitmart, then you can exchange it for USD, you can exchange it for Tether, Ethereum, whatever you want. So I'm trying to show people that this company is almost too revolutionary, but they are building, they are growing. All cryptos are down right now. So obviously this coin is going to be down, but I can guarantee in a couple of years, especially once people see the potential in this, the coin will grow. Plus, since they are mining gold now, which they're going to have a 24-hour live stream on the mine so you can watch them yourselves. I mean, people, you can't deny that. You can't deny that that is a genius idea and that this is just too revolutionary for their own good in the beginning. But since phase 2 is starting, they're going to be also mining more than gold, tantalum mines, all different types. So yeah, I just wanted to show this real quick for people that did want an update, and also people that want to invest into something that that could be huge. I mean, if you really want potential, this is where you're going to get it, right? I like investing into projects, and I like investing into the thought of something. You're not investing into something right then. You're investing into the idea, the potential, because that's where your investment grows. You're investing into the thought. And GSX is definitely one of those things that I see potential in. So the link will be in the description if you want to buy it. Then you go to apollowallet.org if you want to see where your coins transfer to. That's where your coins will be transferred to, is Apollo Wallet. Then that's where it stays in the exchange, and then you go to Bitmart and you can exchange it for whatever you want. So yeah, and it actually has a 9 trust score. You know, this isn't some type of shady, this is legit. Right? This is an actually legit coin. A lot of people were skeptical at first, and that's because it was so new. But now I think they're proving themselves that this is legit. It was just such a big revolutionary project. People were like, there's no way that this could happen, but it is happening. So yes, go to the link in the description if you want to purchase this. Let's jump back to the video. And one last thing, I just wanted to talk about an update GSX because a lot of people did invest into it and they were questioning, what's the update and all that. So I wanted to give that update. Plus, since they brought back the CDE, that is extremely important, especially for me because I loved the CDE site. It was so much easier than Stratus. So anyways, free silver. How in the world can you get free silver, especially with premiums growing up to $10, $15? Well, I'm going to show you how. So there's a thing called the gold to silver ratio. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the gold to silver ratio. It's what you can tell between the price of gold and silver, what is the better buy. So let's say the gold to silver ratio is 100 to 1. So let's say you have 100 ounces of silver and you want to exchange that to your local coin shop for gold. So you had 100 ounces of silver. Now you have 100, or now you have 1 ounce of gold, right? So you walked in there, 100 ounces of silver, walked out with just 1 ounce of gold. And then let's say the gold to silver ratio goes up to 110. So you can go to the same local coin shop, turn in that ounce of gold for 110 ounces of silver, and now you're walking out the coin shop with 110 ounces. So you walked in the coin shop with 100 ounces. Within 5-6 months, you walk out with 110 ounces. Using the gold to silver ratio to your advantage to earn 10 ounces of extra silver without using a penny out of your pocket. That is what a lot of people do. a lot of people use the gold to silver ratio to earn free gold or free silver. And you could do the same thing with gold as well by playing the ratio. And you could tell which coin, which type of metal is going to do better or worse. Like when the gold to silver ratio was 125 to 1 in March 2020, obviously that was extremely high. Now it's around 70 to 1. So if people used and played the gold to silver ratio at that point, they earned a lot of free silver. A lot of free silver. Or gold, right? Because you could do it the opposite as well. So, that's something that you need to practice, because you got to know when the tops and the bottoms are. Plus, you have to use bullion. You can't play the gold to silver ratio if you have high premium silver, because you're going to be trading coins that aren't worth that. You want to get the biggest bang for your buck, whatever's closest to spot price. And actually, coin shops are a great place to go, because coin shops still go by spot price. They don't use the physical premiums that you have on APMEX. If you're going to try to buy an American Eagle or a Panda on APMEX, you're paying $40+ at some points. But your local coin shop still might charge you $3, $4 over spot. So that's something that's really cool. Or you could even go and buy the coins for $23 and sell them on eBay for $40 to get even a bigger profit, or a bit, even more gold or silver for free. So that's the main tip I would give everyone if they want to earn free gold or free silver. Just remember, it has to be close to spot price. This has to be, generics. You could even use junk silver, but just whatever's closest to spot price as you can possibly get, right? That's what it is. Now, there's also other ways. Trading. A lot of times people want coins that are hard to find. So if you have a coin that someone really wants and you can make a good deal, you can earn a lot of silver and just either cash it in or add that to your stack. There's also giveaways. Not only channel giveaways like me, I do tons of different giveaways. I've given away probably $20,000 worth of silver since I started this channel in 2015, 2016, right? I mean, we're doing my 50K giveaway. My 50K giveaway in a couple of weeks, or hopefully a couple of weeks, probably a month or two. I started the Slayer 1K or 2K videos. That means I've done 50, or not 50, but probably about 30, 35 different giveaways. I just gave away $1,000 worth of silver to 5 or 6 different people for my 40K giveaway. So just imagine what my 50K giveaway is. I've given a lot of silver away to a lot of different people, but it doesn't stop there. There's also a lot of giveaways on these sites. Signing up for newsletters is key. Not only do you get updated from a lot of different places on new coins that are relisted back in stock, or coins that are about to come out, and a lot of times they give giveaways for those as well. So when it comes to free silver, you have a couple different options. Obviously, the gold to silver ratio is going to be your best bet, because it's not out of luck. It's not like just trying to hopefully win a giveaway. You can actually do this, and anyone and everyone could do it as long as they do it correctly and smartly. Doing the bullion, don't do high premium numismatic or semi-numismatic silver, and you have to make sure you know when the tops or the bottoms are. But without that said, I mean, those are the best ways to earn free silver. I mean, if there's any other ideas or any other ways that you do without breaking in someone's house and stealing their safe, listed down below, right? I want my channel to be somewhat of a conversation and a place to go for people to gather information, and not just from me. I'm definitely not the smartest guy in the room, and don't think I am just because I'm making the video. A lot of you know a lot more than I do. I just want this channel to be a place for us to discuss our passion for precious metals, and that just so happens to be, and I'm blessed that my channel can offer that. I love when you all participate. I love when everyone's talking to each other, and that's really what it's about. For us to all learn, please try to be open-minded. A lot of people might say stuff you don't agree with, but it doesn't mean you have to bash or shame them. It just means you can maybe have a conversation with them, and they'll bring up a point that you never thought about. Maybe you would, and that's why it's so important that we're respectful on my channel, because if people start getting negative, or if you say something and someone bashes you for it, it might turn you away from precious metals itself, right? So just make sure you're respectful, and let's all throw some ideas out there. Those are my 3 or 4 ideas, but I definitely think there could be more ways. The gold to silver ratio is just the main way that I've known about for several years, and that a lot of other stackers do use. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to check out GSX, which stands for Gold Secured Currency, click the link in the description, and that's where you can buy it. And you actually get, I think, a 5% buying bonus if you use the link as well. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.